For practical example, I will use an IDE or editor called Sublime Text, which is very popular and also it's free. You can use any editor, it's up to your choice. Now let's write here I equals to 1. I've started I from 1 and then I write here while I less than 6 and then print I and then I equals to I plus 1. Now let's save it. I'm writing this one while loop dot py. Now let's open command prompt. So cd for this is the directory where I'm saving it. Now I'll write here while python while loop.py. There is something wrong. Let me check. Oh, there's very small mistake here. Right. Then let's compile again. Now you can see the result. So as I displayed you previously that this is called initialization. This one is called initialization because it is starting from 1. And this section is called, I'm just commenting out here, this section is called condition. This is the point where checking is done. And ultimately, if the condition is true, then it prints and it increases one by one.